What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. I am here today to unbox for you my BOXYCHARM and my BOXYCHARM Premium for April 2020. It is Easter. I had an explosion of Easter eggs on my eyeballs, but I'm gonna rock it. I'm just gonna rock my drag queen vibes. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this for you, let you know the value of things and all the jazz. So if you would like to see my BOXYCHARM and my BOXYCHARM Premium, then stick around. Alright, we're going to start with regular BOXYCHARM, the base box. And we're going to start with one of my favorite products, so I'm happy to have a backup, and that is Benefit Professional. If you've got pores that you want to fill in, this is good stuff, very smoothing. It is $32 in value. It says, quickly minimize the appearance of pores and fine lines for smoother than smooth skin. So that's what this is for. This is going in my backup drawer. Next is something I already bought from the add-ons. They sent me an email saying they knew that they sent me a repeat and gave me some credit for the next pop-up, which is tomorrow. No, not pop-up. Tomorrow is add-ons, so I have a $6 credit. Woohoo! This is the Elemis Superfood Kika Calm Cleansing Foam. It retails for 32 bucks. I always get excited about skincare because I will not pay that price at all for skincare, so it's nice to have high dollar skincare in boxes. It says this unique foaming cleanser is packed with nourishing superfoods to help calm and hydrate skin while lifting makeup, dirt, and grime. This smells so yucky. I do not like how any of the Elemis, I have a superfood night cream. It does wonderful things, but it smells skanky. So anyways, glad to have it, glad to have a backup because I really do like it. I've already used it, but it stinks. Next is the iconic London Illuminator. It retails for $41. There better be some magic and sorcery inside of this if I'm gonna pay $41 for it. But I already have, oh my goodness, glitter and swatches all over my hand. You know, I probably should have cleaned it before I started. Excuse please. Alright, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. For me, it looks a little bit dark. It says it's the original shade, I guess. And it's got a little eyedropper. Looks like, oh, I don't want to drop it everywhere. It looks like that. And I'm not even going to drop any. I'm just going to put a dot like that and shear it out for you. It is very pretty. I could see myself maybe putting it on with a beauty blender or putting it in foundation, but it does shear out a lot lighter than it looks in the bottle, so I was glad to see that. Next is the Lavish 5-piece Neon Eye Brush Collection. It retails for $29.99. Says a must-have all-in-one cruelty-free makeup brush collection that includes essential eye brushes you'll need to achieve an everyday or more dramatic look. I love, get the foam out of the way. I love the colors. It's so pretty. But I also love the shape of these brushes. I have a lot of eye brushes, but I don't have a lot of detail brushes, and these are nice. Here we go. I like this. They're really soft. This is a nice blendy brush. This is a nice packing brush. An angled brush and spoolie for eyebrows, which I like this because it's really narrow. I'll actually use that. An eyeliner brush. And kind of a pencil brush. This is a little stiff. I don't know if I would like that on my lower lash line, but I'll give it a roll. But I like these. They're pretty. And finally, Tony Moly I'm Real Sheet Mask. I've got the I'm Cactus mask. I've got the I'm Lotus mask and the I'm Hemp mask. I don't love when they put masks in boxes. I don't know why it bugs me, but it does. I guess because they don't have that, they're not expensive and you can buy these for $1 at Walmart. Probably not these particular ones, but I do like face masks. But these are retailing for $9 and I'm assuming $3 a piece. Alright, so if you guys don't know this, most people do. You pay just a little over $25 plus tax for the base box, and the value of this actual box, which the theme, I'm doing everything backwards, was Festival Vibes. And the value of this box is $143.99. So I'm feeling okay about that. Just the nice skincare brushes and backup for my professional. I'm cool with all that. These will go in my skincare mask drawer. Both of the boxes came with these makeup eraser cards, which seemed unusual to me considering they weren't in here. But it says to enjoy 20% off your purchase at makeuperaser.com, use BOXY20 if you're interested. They've got all these different colors now. Alright, on to the premium, which is also Festival Vibes. I think I got Festival Vibes on my eyes right now. Vibes. Alright, first thing is the Pure Cosmetics Barbie Endless Possibilities Pressed Pigments Palette. It retails for $34. It says this limited edition signature 12-piece pressed pigments palette celebrates the Barbie factor in all of us with this shimmer, glitter, and matte pigments worthy of her 6th-decade milestone. Okay, so this is gonna go to a friend of mine because I already have this one. They had the Manny MUA palette, which I already had, the Life's a Drag. They had a Smashbox palette, which was the only one I didn't have, and what was the other one? Can't remember, but I'm holding it upside down. How beautiful is that? Oh my gosh, you guys know I bought this just because it looks like this. But the inside is just as stunning. Ooh, Lord. So pretty. So this is going to go to a friend of mine, and I'm excited about blessing her with this. I'm trying to think what the last one was. Anyway, don't matter. Next is the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow, which retails for $24. And it is in the shade Rose Gold Retro. And I had this at one time. I think I still have it, but it's probably dried out. This was my choice item. I chose this because I knew my other one was probably dried out. So these are probably the easiest way to use glitter on your eyes. So pretty. And there's the shade. Very gorgeous, and I love these, and I probably shouldn't have opened this, but too late. Next is the Levito Age Away Replenishing Cream. I've never heard of this brand, so I don't know if it's any good. It looks like it's Korean. It says it retails for $69. Again, there better be some sorcery in here. Made with 11 innovative organic plant actives, this anti-aging solution is clinically proven to diminish the appearance of dryness, wrinkles, and rough texture while it deeply nourishes mature skin. Oh, so it's made for me. It's made for me. This is going in my backup drawer because I have vowed not to open things until I've finished another one. Otherwise, I have like 16 moisturizers going all at once, and we don't need that. Next is the Opulent Beauty Crystal Clear 3-piece brush set. Retails for $40. Comes in this nice little pouch, which, you know, I don't know. I guess some people who travel a lot take their stuff with them. And so that would be a nice little pouch. But I just end up using it to put gifts in, or I just end up throwing them away usually. So anyways, these are pretty. It says a full-size, ultra-soft, cruelty-free, crystal clear brush collection to create a flawless canvas for makeup. Effortlessly and flawlessly apply your favorite skincare foundation, complexion products, highlighters, and powders. Like I said, $40. And this just says Opulent Beauty. This is it just says bullet. I guess for highlighter would be good. This one is Flathead, which I would use for foundation. and this one is powder. So I will give them a roll. We'll see how they do. I never complain about getting brushes, and I'm looking at hundreds of brushes. The only time I complain about brushes is when I have to wash them all. I do not enjoy that. Alright, so as far as Boxy Premium is concerned, it's $35 and change, and well, $35 in tax, and the value of this one was $221. So around $150, around 100 or 220, that'll work for me. So I have to admit that I was kind of womp womp when I opened these, but I'm happy that I'm going to get to bless somebody with the palette that I already had. I wish for the life of me that I could remember what the third one was. But I did want to tell you that I did get some add-on things. I don't have them gathered. I'm just not prepared today. But I did get a Zoeva. Maybe that's what it was. I don't know. Zoeva. I got a Zoeva Cocoa Blend. I got 3 of these, and I don't know where the other 2 are. But these are super nice, and I know that a lot of people did get these. I chose the skincare product, I chose the glitter instead, because I knew that I already bought these on the add-on. So I can't remember what the other 2 are called. Caramel something. Anyway, can you tell that my brain is like just on, you know, I need food, I need caffeine. And I filmed a lot of videos today. So I've already smeared this. It's obviously not smudge proof. It's had enough time to set, which I'm okay with that, because even if it's a matte finish, it doesn't have to be like locked on, because I don't like really drying lippies. So I'm cool with that. So out of everything, I think I'm the most excited about the brush set, some of these brushes. I am really excited about trying this. I'm really happy about having the LMS skincare. I'm very excited that I get to send this to my friend. And so overall, I was womp womp at the beginning, but I'm okay with it. I think I got way beyond my money's worth. Alright guys, that is it for me. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed watching me unbox my BOXYCHARM and my BOXYCHARM Premium for April. If you get this subscription, what did you get in your box that was different than mine? What did you get that you're excited about? What are you womp womp about? Let's sound off in the comments section. So, again, thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate it so much. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit that cute little notification bell so that you won't miss any of my videos. Because you don't want to. You don't. But until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys. Ooh, Lord. You don't want to come off, do you? They're pretty. They're quite pretty. Quite pretty. And there's 3 of them. I gotta take this out. This is getting on my nerves. Getting on my nerves. Put it back where it go. Yeah! Be falling down and junk. Don't be falling down and junk. Be falling down and junk. But you didn't break, so you're forgiven. Falling down? Who do you think you is? Don't be falling down. Pick up after yourself. Pick up after yourself, Sherri. Am I, glittery brushes everywhere. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Why did I put you all the way over here? Why? But why? Oh, this hair is craziness.